2. Hey! Welcome back to KayleeandLiz.webs.com. Today's theme is pancakes! Whoop, whoop. We also have a guest star with us today. His name is Chris! His name is Chris! Here he is! Say hi to the camera, Chris. Hi. Bye, Chris. See you later for the credits.
Today's subject is pancakes. Get down, Chris. I can still see you, Chris. Alright, so today's subject is pancakes. Pancakes are good, especially with the butter. That's your problem. Chris, what do you think of pancakes? Hey, Carrie!
Hey,
say hi to the camera.
Hi.
I'm back.
Yay! Yep, that's Chris, not Nolan. I don't know Nolan. Alright, so, pancakes are good. I said so no. Chris, what do you think of pancakes? Alright, what do you think of pancakes?
I love pancakes.
Pancakes are awesome.
That's chicken. No, I want to get to that part.
You gotta stick it to this.
Okay.
That's awesome.
That was today's webcast.
Alright.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye. Alright, you can leave now.
Bye! See you next time on KayleeandLiz.webs.com.